Ogadra Jesus. Yes, biko no na-ewekwana iwe. Ka njigodi English wo ihe m na-ekwu. But emecha na-abịakwara ka ntapịa ya n'okwu Igbo. Your Excellency, sir, especially our dear host, the Governor of Enugu State, our own wonderful brother. Thank you so much, sir. The President General of Ohaneze, Emmanuel Iwu Anyanwụ, the man that has made today possible. Thank you. The Honorable Minister here present, please, for words of time, let me humbly respect and speak on the already established protocol. Thank you. Today is the day that we have come to celebrate our identity. And what is that identity? Igbo Day. Igbo people are the most virtuous people in the whole world. If you go out there, any good man doing anything asks of his identity, he will tell you that he's an Igbo man. We are proud to be Igbo people. The people, thank you. And that is why we are here, to tell the whole world that yes, Igbo people have come to speak with one voice. Igbo people have come to identify our identity. Igbo people have come to celebrate our culture. Today is that day. On this note, I take a lead from what that happened yesterday in Imo State. I was highly overwhelmed. When you look at all the Eastern governors, they have come together to speak with one voice. Why can't we get all that we want with this one voice? We have come to a stage whereby whatever that belongs to Igbo people must be given to us. We have come to tell them, yes, we are no longer divided. We are now one family. The one family that will make things move forward. Remember, when we go to federal, it's always, anytime they are talking of Igbo people, they will say they are not united. I want to thank our leaders for deeming it necessary to bring us all together. But we are not stopping here. A lot of jobs are to be done. One, we need to review the constitution of the Igbo identity. We need to review it. We need to put some things in place. We need to change some archaic ideas that are not auguring with the present situation. Two, one of my leaders said it here, that we need to release Nnamdi. Yes, and I want to thank all our leaders that has made effort in one way or the other. Nnamdi is our brother. We are not happy seeing him there. We can do a lot. When we speak as one voice, it will not take us 1 second to bring him out there. But the problem we have is within us. Are we ready to fight this battle? Are we ready to keep our secret? Are we ready to move with one voice? That is the question we need to ask ourselves. But with all these questions, God has given us the direction by bringing us all together. This is a new dawn for every Igbo man. This is a new direction for all of us. And with this, I say, we are not going to stop here. Let us continue. Let us continue to change the mindset of our people. Somebody said, stay at home. Why are we staying at home? Jeopardizing the economy, jeopardizing our business. No, gone are the days of that old mercantilism. We need to move forward. Thirdly, Today really is not a day of history. I am highly delighted with my Ebonyi people that are here to celebrate today. We want to tell them that left for Ebonyi, Ebonyi people are always ready to do the best. Ebonyi people are always ready to take the lead. If you come to Ebonyi State, you will see a lot of things happening. Real. This is not camel. Come to Ebonyi, that is the best and the pride of the nation for now. If you doubt it, if you doubt it, follow me to Ebonyi. You will see that you will not like to come back. But I appreciate. That is what all of us will emulate. Because in Ebonyi there, we are one big family. We don't have two voices there, but one. And that is why we are getting it right. Please, I'm begging everybody, let us forgive and forget.